Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's continue our lesson. Now I will share first. Okay, the lesson before look like this. Yeah. Okay. This object, yeah, harmony with God, and this object harmony with people. I create this with plagiarism method, yeah. Insert image and then plagiarize that object, yeah. Next we will insert into this object, yeah. Okay, but now I will teach all of you how to create a star, maybe look like a flower, yeah. Okay, let's try. I take polygon lasso tools, and number of point on polygon is 5, yeah. Okay, let's try to here. Okay, that's it. Maybe like this, yeah. Okay, I will check. Okay, okay, good. Okay, that's it, yeah. Maybe we will set the width and height, maybe like this. Okay, zoom in. Now I will create this image, get proportional size, yeah, proportional size, yeah. Okay, let's try. I'll take a shape tool and then choose this. Okay, yeah, look at this, yeah. Okay, look at this. You can adjust the proportional size, yeah. Okay, let's try. Now I want to make this line to curve. If we want to, okay, look at see the change, yeah. See the change, maybe, or we have like this, yeah. You can create as you wish. Okay, I will try to use guideline, look like this, maybe. Okay, that, yeah. Remember, we must active snap to object, yeah. Okay, let's try to curve, maybe like this. Okay. I want to, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I get the idea. Maybe like this, yeah. Okay, okay, let's see. Maybe it's proportional, I think. Okay, that's it, yeah. 5-star look like flower, yeah. Okay, check it, maybe take here, yeah, maybe take here, this look like this. Okay, for safety work, I want to copy and paste. Copy and paste like this. Okay, I create here. Maybe I can delete. Yeah, it's a elementary design. Okay, I move here. Okay, if we want to do Control C, okay, yeah. Okay, we can click here. Maybe, as we know, 35 millimeters. Okay, I will write 35. Tab 35. Okay, that's good. Same. Look at this. Okay, maybe. Okay, that's it. Control C, Control V once, Control C, Control V this once. Okay, but I will adjust. Okay, group. Yeah, maybe more bigger things. Okay, maybe 50%. I think, yeah. Okay, 50%. That's it. I will range group 50% too. That's it. Harmony with people. Okay. Oh, sorry. What is 7 point. Okay. 7 point. Yeah. 7 point. Okay, I think it's same. Okay, that's it. Okay, next. Okay, point, yeah, 7.6. Maybe here. Okay, let's try. Maybe we can adjust the position. I think it's okay. Okay, let's check. Okay. Okay, if you want, use align object. Maybe. What does it? Okay. Let's just. Oh, sorry. 1 millimeter. 1. Okay, that's it. Just line object. Okay. Oh, sorry. Tick 1. Okay, that's it. Can make a group. We can make a group. Then place here. I think that's it. Place here. I think that's it. Okay. Now I teach all of you use okay to wait a minute, text, yeah, insert character, find maybe winding tree. Yeah, until we will get a nature object. Yeah, nature object. Okay, winding. Is it? Where is the coconut? Oh, do I see winding on? Winding 2. That. Where is the nature? Oh. Okay. Oh, webbing. Maybe where is the webbing? Webbing. Oh, okay. Webbing. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Click, hold, and drag here. Okay. Drag. Okay. You can use this image. Yeah. Okay. I will click forward. What is it? Okay. Okay. Delete maybe. Yeah. Delete maybe. Delete maybe. Okay. I will to make the cover. Okay. Just here. Okay. Okay. It's okay. We'll make a group first. Arrange group and then make a smaller. Okay, that's it. Okay, group. Yeah, and then put this here. Okay, that's it. It's finished, but we will coloring. Yeah, next lesson I will teach all of you how to coloring this object. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.